Hello, my beauties and gentle beauties. I am the wondrous and beautiful Alex, and welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Jurassic Dry Bones, and I'm here with my cameraman, Lucas.
Again.
He won't be here tomorrow, probably.
Sadly.
Yes.
I might be here, but I won't be sleeping over.
Oh, Foxy is hugging the ginger ale. Trying to hug the ginger ale. Yar.
Hi, I'm Chico.
Oh, Bonnie. Yo ho made swap the poop deck. Moo. Dank memes.
Sorry, guys. Oh.
More dank memes. That totally wasn't me voicing them.
Yeah, I can't put him back on his feet. You know what? There you go.
Tails!
Tails the Hedgehog. What if Tails was a Hoojhog?
Tails!
Hooge butt? What? Oh.
Tails! Tails!
Yeah.
Tails! Look, it landed on Tails!
You flipped it onto Tails.
Come on, stop.
Threw it at my head.
What be a bad boy, this Lucas?
Oh. No. You're literally only stepping on the ones we're not allowed to step on. You're so bad boy that you're good. I almost stepped on those ones. You can't step on that row. You can only step on the ones behind those little stars. That goes up. Oops.
Hey, you guys want to watch me cheers cake? Come on, Luke, let's get our cheers cake.
Copyright.
Let's just film us.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah, that's a lot of copyright there. Dang it. Mayonnaise isn't copyright. I'll just cover the copyright.
Real mayonnaise.
Most of the stuff isn't even copyright.
I don't even know what copyright even means anymore.
I don't know. You can show the Pepsi can still.
Mayonnaise.
Lucas, now we have to get it. This is our cheers cake.
Cheers cake. Smell it.
Yep.
Cheers cake.
It's mine or yours?
Yeah. No,
Mine?
we mixed ours.
Oh yeah.
I had a bigger piece left than you.
Yeah.
I like the whole thing left. I like half, like the whole crust and down left. I think this is mine, this part.
Yeah, that's yours.
Oh.
I'm just getting my salad.
Cheers cake.
It's my salad. Mikey, we both got salads.
Yeah.
What do we should call this vlog? We eat food from last night.
Oh, by the way, guys, we're finally eating real food.
The ranch? I think this is yours.
I don't want it.
This is the one with the...
Put it back in the fridge.
I am.
Cheers cake.
This is the one with the onions.
No, you stole my onions.
No, you got some left.
We're not eating acorns anymore, which I'm happy about. There's another thing in there. There's another box, which is your
No,
salad.
this is probably mine. No, it's my cheesecake.
Cheers cake.
I can tell. Feel how light it is.
It's your salad.
Yeah, it's mine. I can smell the Caesar.
But
That's the one about Caesar. You can smell it.
From a mile away.
Yeah, you can tell that something's Caesar or not.
He's literally ripping the package.
I don't care anymore. I use my Caesar. It's all back up in the corner. Back up in the corner.
I thought there was nothing in there.
Oh, you were like, what? And I went, ugh.
Somebody's coming for us. No, stop. Okay, I'm
Nah,
done.
here's a fork.
No, well, I don't need a fork.
You have one anyway.
Can you please like?
The Fluid blog. The Fluid. Definitely mine. I can just tell.
What? Like
I want food up here, Red.
I know.
Wait, let me feel like you're doing that. Feel like you're doing. No, you have to take first bite. I mean, leftover bite.
Leftover bite.
So we're not like copying Smosh at all. This isn't copied. Caesar's highway.
Oh, you said Caesar on camera. That's copyright.
Here. Now I'm gonna do my leftover bite. Leftover bite. Wait. Leftover. Leftover bite.
So we're not copying Smosh.
Cake. Still go.
Kangaskhan. Give him a punch. Give him a punch. Kick him in the face. He deserved it. Okay.
Look. Cheesecake bite.
You missed. Ew. Ew. I'm gonna lick it off. It's not there anymore. Totally not there anymore. I can't believe you actually ate that bark.
Yeah, that was gross.
Alright. No more cheesecake for me.
More salad for me.
I'm sorry, guys. I haven't mastered the art of blogging yet. I can't do everything. By the way, if it runs out like automatically
Yeah.
without us saying bye, that means it ran out of time. So don't get angry at us.
Copyright bomb.
Bomb was copyright bomb.
Oh, there's a lot of copyright.
No.
Wait, I want to show them my thing.
I dare you to take a lick of that, Alex. The top. Do the top. Now the bottom. Right? It's gross. You can taste the corn syrup. That's disgusting. Disgusting?
Disgusting.
You're gonna... You want some water, guys? Guys, you want some water?
Wait, no. Dude, don't ruin the illusion. Guys, don't look at me. Guys, you want some water? I got some for you. Lucas, drink the water. Good, right? Mm-hmm. Let me take a sip. Wait, hold it. Oh! No, we didn't just slow-mo that down.
It's ice made.
Yeah.
Want it?
I carved it out.
Oh, cheesecake bite.
Cheesecake. Leftover cheesecake. Bite.
I guess like that.
Wait, ice copyrighted.
No, ice is not copyrighted, Alex.
Copyright?
Hey guys.
You can show them food, Lucas. Look, there's my Eggo. Whoosh.
See, it's Lego my Eggo. Lego my Eggo.
And then there's this back here.
And then there's this back here. I'm just gonna lock you in, okay? Lock your arm in.
There's
It's
no-
gonna freeze.
This is my...
Your Bubble Burger. Guys, we're gonna finally know, does the light turn off when you close the door? So we're putting the camera in here for really quick. Let's see where we can put it.
Right there. Guys, we're making discoveries. Wait, so you guys can see us closing the door. Wait, I gotta give you guys... Just in case you get cold, I got you a blanket. Okay. Bye, sweetie.